for this technique of how to poach an egg, we use something that is called a spider in a commercial kitchen. And it's basically a mesh sieve. But the finer the holes, the better. So this one can work, but this one is better. You're going to crack an egg into another little cup. I know your mother taught you to crack an egg on the edge of something. Don't do it. That's how you get shell. Hit it on a flat surface. And then you don't get shell in your cracked egg. We all know that a cracked egg has a lot of runny white. And some of it is more watery than others. So what you want to do is get rid of the really watery parts, because that also contributes to the wisps. And we don't want wisps. We want a beautiful poached egg. So you're going to take your spider and you're going to drop your cracked egg right on top of that. And you will see, as you shake it, that there is some liquid coming through, which is a good thing. And you're going to then scrape the bottom so you get most of that really liquidy part out. And now there's kind of not much drippy stuff, right? Then we're going to go, except when it drips on your stove. And now we're going to go slowly to that hot water that's not really moving very much. We just want those little bubbles on the bottom. And now you gently put this, leaving the egg in the spider. Start your timer, 3.5 minutes, 3:45. If you like a nice runny yolk, like I do. Longer, obviously, if you like a more firm yolk. So see, there are a little bit of wisps, but we don't care because it's a real egg. It's not a fake egg. And I'm just loosening it. I'm being very gentle because you definitely don't want to break that yolk. After about a minute, very carefully trying to slide it gently off of the spider into the water. And now you let it sit for the remaining of that cooking time. 9 seconds left on the timer for my 3-minute and 45-second egg. And there it goes. I'm going to lift it out with my slotted spoon carefully because this yolk is runny. It's the way I like them. Make sure you get all that water out of there. I'm going to gently put it onto my avocado toast, a little kosher salt, cracked pepper, because for me everything's better with cracked pepper. And then I love a little bit of spice in the morning. Some red chili flakes. Isn't that pretty? So this is my favorite breakfast, and I love a good runny yolk. This is 3 minutes and 45 seconds. That's about perfect for me.